Hey guys, welcome to Long Naps. Today I'll be showing you how to change your Facebook Messenger ringtone on your Android device. And start right in now. To change your Facebook Messenger ringtone, let's first open up the Messenger app on our phone. And after opening your Messenger, on the top left corner of the screen, you can see the three-line icon. Tap over there. And after that, tap on settings. You can see the settings appear on this interface on the left side, just beside your name or the name. Tap over there. And after landing over here, scroll down and you need to see the notification and sounds available over here just below the avatar. You can see under the preferences, tap on notifications and sounds, and over here on the second option there is the ringtone. Tap on ringtone, and all of these ringtones will be available. You can choose from over here, and after choosing, this messenger ringtone will be assigned to your messenger. And guys, this is how you choose or change your Facebook Messenger ringtone on your Android device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.